Well, boys, for all the curious ones, just in case you get a question, why is my heater core bill so big? Or if you get an estimate, right? That's what it looks like, boys. Gotta pull everything off. So this is the heater core. It's in a lot better shape than I thought it was. But my guys already dusted it off and whatnot. They're like, dude, this thing's in really good shape. I'm like, I still want it changed. Oh, so here's the brand new one. Right? And then this is the AC. This is the AC part. This one's a lot dirtier because it's the front line. So, yeah. Guys are wrapping it up for the day, so I figured I'd catch them. I'd make this quick little video before I come in tomorrow and it's all put together. Getting some parts together for that guy. And that guy's going, oh, dude, this thing's so clean. So excited for you guys. I'll do a separate video about it, share a little bit of details, but let me stay focused. Oh, shoot, that's a little too close for my liking, but there's the parts device piece, and that's the one that came out of my, trying to keep my distance here. That's what came out of my truck, and then this all is parts from a cab I bought on a silver truck. Anyway, so the boys will put her together, cut out this piece here, and put it in a filter, which is really weird why Ram did that. Literally, you buy a filter, and they give you a fresh cap with it as well, or a lid. So once you cut that hole through, you just pop that lid in there with the filter and done deal, which is pretty interesting. I knew about it, I just never got around to it. Guys, don't procrastinate it. Whatever you do, man, just go out there, put that hole in there. It's fairly accessible. And yeah, put that filter in there so it doesn't plug up your heater core. Not only can your heater core plug up through the coolant stuff, but it also could plug up through air. Like this truck used to be a driver's truck, and a couple of my drivers had what do you call them, dogs? Them furry little things, dogs. So I plugged it up, and high was barely good as medium and whatnot. Anyways, just part of the deal. The guys had a minute, and I said, hey, let's do the heater core. It's important to me. It's really cold outside, keep my kids warm. Anyways, boys, as always, keeping them short for you. May the Lord bless you. May you all mighty fine day. And before I shut off this camera, I'll try to take it slow and show you around. So step by step, you got your steering wheel hanging there. Check your U-joint. And then on the back side, you got the computers and all this. Literally, the guys unbolted and flipped this thing back. A lot of crud in there, so they vacuumed it up a little bit. So they're putting that box together tomorrow, and they will, put it in here and put the dash back on it and call it a day. I don't know, how about you, but little things like that excite me. Anyways, may the Lord bless you. May Almighty find day, and I'm out of here.